Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by building full speed on the ground. You need momentum, so the drop dash converts that into an instant boost. Once done, jump and hold the jump button so you control the descent. While falling, press and hold the attack/drop dash button and simultaneously hold the forward input to lock direction. This initial sequence primes the mechanic. Do it immediately after a short hop or ramp to ensure the game registers airborne state and the input buffer for the drop dash. You execute by releasing the attack/drop dash button at the right moment. Timing is key because the game checks a small window during descent. As you release, watch for the visual flash and speed burst. This confirms success and preserves momentum through landing. If you press too early, you'll perform a normal attack. Too late, and you miss the airborne flag. Practice the 0, 2 to 0, 5-second release window while slightly angling forward input, so the dash propels you along the intended path. You finish by landing with the new burst. Land fast to immediately chain another drop dash or transition into a roll to keep speed. Once you land, make sure to slightly lift and reapply forward so the engine treats you as grounded for chaining off ramps and platforms. If it fails, troubleshoot. Check your input timing first, remap buttons if the button is sticky, and ensure clean jump frames. Avoid holding two conflicting inputs. Adjust the timing a few frames until the flash reliably appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.